Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best canvas patch is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any pop-up camper owner looking to extend the life and maintain the integrity of their beloved mobile home. A reliable patch can quickly mend tears, prevent further damage from the elements, and ultimately save you from costly repairs, ensuring your adventures remain uninterrupted and comfortable, no matter where the road takes you. Number 5. Better Boat Repair Tape. Small tears can quickly become big problems, especially with wind and weather. This tape instantly seals rips and holes, preventing further damage. It's as simple as peel, stick, and you're done in seconds. Each roll provides 30 feet of 3-inch wide waterproof tape, easily cut to any size or shape. It bonds to a wide range of materials like vinyl, canvas, and most fabrics. No special tools or heat are needed for application. Unlike ordinary tapes that fail quickly, its marine-grade adhesive is designed for extreme conditions. It withstands sun, salt, and storms, ensuring a lasting repair. If it holds strong on a boat, it will certainly hold on your awning or tent. Its clear design means no unsightly patches, blending seamlessly with any material. The repair becomes almost invisible once applied. It's also flexible, easily conforming to curves and corners without lifting. While clear is versatile for any color, it also comes in white and black to perfectly match darker materials. Each 30-foot x 3 inches roll provides enough material for numerous small fixes or several larger repairs. What we like. This tape offers a generous 30 feet of heavy-duty, clear material for extensive repairs. Its marine-grade adhesive ensures it stays put through sun, salt, and storms, making it incredibly durable. If you are looking for a long-lasting, nearly invisible fix that can withstand harsh outdoor conditions, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The canvas patch is a perfect fit for my pop-up camper, making repairs easy and effective. It's durable and weather-resistant, holding up well against the elements and providing a reliable seal. The adhesive backing is strong and easy to apply, ensuring a secure attachment without the need for special tools. Number 4. Dulepax Clear Repair Tape, 30-foot x 2.9. Introducing Dulepax Repair Tape, a flexible, thick, and durable solution for all your repair needs. Its super viscosity ensures a perfect fix for rips, cracks, and tears, while the transparent material leaves minimal visible marks. This repair tape is designed to withstand any weather condition, from rain and snow to extreme heat and cold. It performs exceptionally well in temperatures ranging from -30 to 70 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for use anywhere, anytime. You can rely on it to repair a wide range of items including tents, awnings, RV covers, boat covers, and tarps. It adheres strongly to materials like vinyl, canvas, leather, glass, and wood. Please note that this tape is not suitable for inflatable products or underwater repairs, such as swimming pools. Always check compatibility before applying. We offer 24/7 online customer support to assist you with any questions. Your satisfaction is guaranteed, and we provide a full refund if you are not completely happy with your purchase. What we like. This flexible and durable tape boasts super strong viscosity, ensuring a perfect repair for various rips and tears. It's designed to adapt to extreme weather conditions, from freezing cold to intense heat. If you need a reliable patch that performs in any climate and offers strong adhesion, this one is built to last. What people say. The canvas patch is a perfect fit for pop-up campers, providing a durable and waterproof solution for repairs. Easy to apply and adheres well, this patch effectively seals tears and holes in the canvas, extending the life of your pop-up camper. The material is high quality and designed to withstand outdoor elements, ensuring long-lasting protection against rain and sun. Number 3. Gear Aid Tenacious Tape Repair Patches. Need a quick fix for your gear? These peel and stick patches repair rips, holes, and tears fast. No sewing, ironing, or heat is needed, making repairs effortless. They feature a strong adhesive that stays put on synthetic fabrics like nylon, polyester, vinyl, and Gore-Tex. Please note, they are not suitable for cotton, denim, or natural fibers. Backed with a permanent adhesive, they won't peel or lift. You can wash your gear repeatedly without worrying about the patch coming off. These pre-cut patches come in assorted shapes and sizes. They not only cover damage or stains but also add a touch of style to your jackets, packs, or outerwear. Repair your gear with confidence. They are designed to help you patch, clean, and renew your equipment, allowing you to adventure longer and preserve every outdoor experience. What we like. These pre-cut patches offer instant, no-fuss repairs without any sewing or ironing. They feature a strong, permanent adhesive that remains intact even after repeated washing cycles. If you like adding a touch of personality to your gear while ensuring a durable, easy fix, these fun-shaped patches are perfect. What people say. It fit my 2003 Fleetwood Utah pop-up camper perfectly. The patch was easy to apply and has held up well through several rainstorms. Number 2. King Mountain Canvas Repair Patch. Introducing the King Mountain Canvas Repair Patch, your ultimate solution for fabric damage. This versatile patch is designed to seamlessly blend with your belongings. Each patch measures a generous 9 by 11 inches, providing ample coverage for tears, scratches, holes, and more. Repairing fabric damage has never been easier. From linen and velvet to leather and nylon, these patches are compatible with a wide range of materials. Use them on sofas, tents, car seats, and bags. Crafted from 100% cotton canvas, these patches are thick yet soft, ensuring a durable and integrated repair. They are designed to protect and reinforce your fabrics effectively. Featuring a super sticky self-adhesive backing, these patches stay in place without the need for ironing or sewing. Save time and effort with this simple solution. We stand by our product with a lifetime warranty and money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll provide a full exchange or refund. What we like. These patches come in a generous 9 by 11 inch size, providing ample material for larger repairs. Made from 100% thick cotton canvas, they integrate seamlessly with your fabric items, offering a soft yet super durable fix. If you have larger tiers or prefer a natural canvas feel for your repairs, this product is an excellent option. What people say. Number 1. Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape. Introducing the ultimate solution for leaks and repairs. This tape provides a permanent, weather-resistant seal for a wide range of applications. It forms an immediate, lasting bond. This powerful tape instantly seals out air, water, and moisture, ensuring a secure fix. Whether indoors or out, in rain or shine, or even underwater, it performs reliably. This waterproof solution is truly all-purpose. Its specially formulated adhesive allows it to conform perfectly to various surfaces. It effectively repairs holes, cracks, gaps, and tears with ease. The heavy-duty backing is built to last. It resists moisture and UV rays, ensuring it won't yellow over time. It's ideal for fixing leaks in roofs, rubber, plastic, or vinyl pool liners. This tape is your go-to for countless repair needs. What we like. This tape creates a permanent bond that instantly seals out air, water, and moisture, even working effectively underwater. Its specially formulated adhesive conforms to various surfaces, ensuring a complete seal for holes and cracks. If you need an ultimate, all-surface, waterproof solution that can even fix leaks submerged, this heavy-duty tape is your go-to. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points can be extracted about the canvas patch for pop-up camper. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.